Once again, let us remind you with the criteria for judging. Unahin na natin dito sa floats. Criteria, we start with the symbolism, which is 20%, the design 40%, the implementation, which is 40%, for a total of 100%.
And now, dito naman tayo sa ating cultural event. The following is the criteria for judging. Performance and choreography includes complexity and artistry of steps and mastery, unity and precision of movements, formation, concept, and relevance to the theme on composition, totaling of 25%. Next up is we have the props, inclusive of props relevant to the theme, props elevate performance and creativity, artistry of material use, totaling to 20%. Musicality, rhythmical arrangement, identity as interpreted in music and precision, and also festive use of instrument, totaling to 20%. Overall performance inclusive of precision and precision, fluency, alignment of balance, focus, energy level, and projection. Performance exhibits the message of the theme and masterful execution of complex steps or movement, totaling to 35%, all accumulating to 100%.
And also the criteria for judging for the drum and lark competition, we have the performance, which is 40%, inclusive of the choreography and mastery of steps, unity and precision of movements, composition and formation, artistry and creativity in performance. We also have the musicality for 35%, inclusive of the rhythmic arrangement, thematic interpretation, musically sound performance. Also the costume, which is 25%, inclusive of the relevance to the Strawberry Festival theme, artistry and creativity of props and materials used, for a total of 100%.
At eto na nga sila. Nababasa ko na ang lettering ng ating mga Strawberry Hotties!
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, happening right now, right here in La Trinidad, Strawberry Festival 2026. And now approaching, ayan, basahin po natin, no? S-T, tinigisa na lang. Okay, we have here the Strawberry Festival 2026. Ayan, all the letters are being held by our Strawberry Hotties. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Parinig naman kami ng isang masigabong palakpakan!
Mamaya pwede na rin po tayo makipag-picture sa kanila dahil alam ko marami sa atin dito meron silang fan base. Ay, oo.
Anong
Yung
letter sa'yo, partner?
Cordilleran artistahins. Oo, mga artistahin ng ating munisipyo ng La Trinidad nandito na rin. Hindi ko napag-aalaman mo na lang, sikat pala sila sa TikTok. Ayan.
Dagdag mo na rin sa Facebook, partner.
Oo, sa Facebook. Sa Instagram. Ayan. Doon mo sila makikita lahat.
Baka mamaya may kabisado na kayong letra dyan, ha? Ay, may naririnig agad ako. Ano yan? Parang may tumitili agad.
Alright. Asan dito ang nag-cheer para sa nakahawak ng letter S? Okay. Nakahawak ng letter B. Ay, nako. Nakahawak ng number 2. Ay, wala pa. Hindi pa kasi nila nakikita ng malinaw. O, ito na papalapit ng papalapit. At syempre, hindi mawawala dyan ang pinakamacho sa kanilang lahat. Dahil nagsalita na kanina ang ating mayor. Nandyan ang isa sa pinakamacho dito sa munisipyo ng La Trinidad, ang Vice Mayor natin. We have Vice Mayor Gilier Galwan. Palapakan naman natin. And of course, sinusundan yan ng ating mga magigiting na councilors. Ayan. Hindi ko na rin makita, sir.
Ayan na nga. Nakabalandra na sa ating harapan. Ngayon namin kayo tatanungin. Anong letter ang kabisado nyo?
Alright, thank you so much, Strawberry Hotties! And now, sumusunod sa kanilang hottie din, Councilor Teddy Walang! We also have Councilor Horacio Ramos Jr. We also have Councilor Jason Dangwa. Councilor Richard Waknison. Kaway-kaway naman po, Councilor Bartolome Baldas Jr. We also have Councilor Tyrone Diaz. Kaway-kaway naman, Councilor Belmer Ellis. Ayan naman po, of course, kasama natin ang Councilor Juniper. Urok. Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the Strawberry Hottie is right in front of you, together with our, of course, pinaka-macho din. Ay, andito ang ating mga Councilor and Vice Mayor, Honorable Guillermo Gawan. Ayan, nakikita po kita, sir. Huwag kang mag-alala. Okay. And we also have our Mr. International with us. Ayan, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. All right, and now approaching also the first batch of our presenters. We have a cultural performance coming from the Tungtungan Cultural Performing and Arts Ensemble from Barangay Lubas. We have a Tuyon and a Luyon in La Trinidad embodies Thanksgiving and mutual support, fostering community resilience. Celebrated during the Strawberry Festival, the event revives traditional instruments such as tal, a wooden gong, and patpatong, a bamboo gong, to honor cultural heritage and strengthen connections among the people of Benguet. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Tungtungan Cultural Performing and Arts Ensemble. Palapakan naman natin sila!
We would like to acknowledge then Mr. International Third Runner-up, Mr. Teresa, Mr. Granville Raymundo.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Tungtungan Cultural Performing and Arts Ensemble. Palapakan naman po natin sila, apakagaling. Ayan, pwede na kayo magpahinga at magchinelas, mga bata. Mainit ang ansimento natin dito sa kalsada. Okay, eto naman. Susunod, we're about to witness a drum and lyre presentation coming from Lubas Elementary School. They are now approaching, ladies and gentlemen.
Lubas Drum and Lyre Corps will play the Strawberry Festival theme song, And We Found Love. We found love in the limitless place of La Trinidad with people of big hearts towards a harmonious environment. The song was composed to a strawberry plant that grows, produces flowers, then blooms, and soon turns into sweet, juicy red fruit. It traces its growth journey from a delicate bloom to a juicy fruit with life's small, sweet moments and a symbol of care, connection, and seasonal joy. Once again, Lubas Elementary School Drum and Lyre.
Alright, eto na, We Found Love from the Lubas Elementary School Drum and Lyre. Palapakan naman natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, blue na blue.
Gaya nila, may We Found Love in La Trinidad.
Ikaw, partner, you found love in La Trinidad?
Maybe I'll find soon.
Wow! Siyempre. Here we go.
Once again, may I hear a masigabong palakpakan para sa ating Lubas Elementary School. Okay, thank you, Lubas Elementary School! Ang ganda naman at ang kulay ng ating presentation. Ang gaganda din ng ngiti ng mga bata. Nakakahawa, hindi ba?
Really? Real na real talaga. Okay, we found love here in La Trinidad. Siyempre, sa kulay pa lang talagang love na love naman natin ang La Trinidad. Hoy,
Okay, thank you, kids.
Thank
you may
you so
now
much.
take a rest.
thank you so much, Lubas Elementary School. And now, approaching, ladies and gentlemen, a float coming from Barangay Lubas. Asa na mga galing sa Barangay Lubas? Yee! Ayan na ang ating float. Nakikita ko na ang choreography ni driver. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, eto na. Nakikita ko na may mga green,
Red.
yellow. Okay, ang category na kanilang sinalihan ay pro-environment category. Ang ibig sabihin po nun, they shall exhibit the municipality's dedication to effective solid waste management, including recycling and ecological conservation. The floats for this contest shall use at least 50% recycled materials. So, ayan, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a float pro-environment coming from Barangay Lubas.
Okay, let me read the description of Lubas. Lubas joins La Trinidad in pursuit of limitless future, transcending boundaries in tourism, agriculture, and innovation. As the heart of this town, we must rally every generation towards this vision. The resourceful float celebrates bountiful harvest and harmony between economic growth and our rich heritage. Basta Lubas na pintas!
Yoy! Asa ang mga napipintas galing Lubas? Magingay! Ni Kurangda. Okay. Asa ang mga katipunan ng mga napipintas na taga-Lubas?
Ay, nandito
Baka
sila
nagwagwapo ng taga-Lubas. Ay, ni apay awanan ti
Awanan.
gwapo, napintas sa amin. Okay. Ay na nga yun. Okay, palakpakan po natin once again a float. Yan, recycled. Mostly or 50% of it came from recycled materials. Ayan po. Apakakulay ng choreography ng ating float.
Parang wala na akong naririnig na sigaw ng Lubas. Uminom po ba tayo ng tubig?
Yan, wag po natin kalimutan ulit tuminom ng tubig and to secure our belongings. Okay. Forward po, driver. And then, sige po.
Tignan nating maigi yung kanyang mga features. Mga highlight ng float na to.
Sige lang po, mamang driver. Diretso lang.
Let us also acknowledge the presence of our candidate for Mr. and Miss La Trinidad, Mr. Lubas and Miss Lubas in the float.
Yan. Uy, may kasamang baby. Yeah! Okay. Nakipag-parade. Oops, oops. Yung mga nasa gilid.
Kinakamada pa po ng ating driver, kaya po please, pakitignan na lang po ang ating mga pwesto para hindi natin masagi.
And we have here representatives coming from Barangay
Ay,
Lubas. Kasama ang kanilang mga officials from Barangay Lubas.
Parinig naman po ng masigabong palakpakan para sa Barangay Lubas.
Siyempre, ang cheer ng mga representative ng Lubas. Ay! Ayan ang mga
Ayan.
napipintas at
Tas.
nagugwapo galing sa Barangay Lubas.
Parang gusto ko din yun, partner. Basta Lubas na pintas.
Naman. Oh, yan. At paparating na rin po ang isa na namang float. Coming from one of our barangay here in La Trinidad. It's the float of Barangay Betag. Ayan. Sige lang po, forward lang, forward.
Forward, move forward. Wag kasing mag-stay dun sa likod.
Forward lang po. Kaya naman sa lahat ng mga nandito, paalala, isang mahalagang mensahe, always keep moving forward. Hindi po tayo pa-backward. Okay.
Gaya nga ng team natin, limitless. So let us move forward to the limitless.
Yan. O, diba, parts? Ito namang paparating na float natin. Talagang huling-huli ang iyong mga mata dahil sa kanyang kulay na yellow.
Yellow in Tagalog is dilaw.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Dilaw.
Dilaw who?
Bakit uhaw sa iyong sayaw? Ay, mali,
Ay.
walang
Ay,
dilaw
ay.
pala yung may kanta nun. Oo, yun pala yung dilaw.
Pero parang gusto ko pa ng longer version partner. Ang
Ay.
ganda. Ang ganda ng
Naku po.
boses.
Oo.
Sino pa yun?
Walang kaso dyan, basta ba mayor? Okay, joke lang. Okay po, ayan na, paparating na.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me read the description for Bitag Float. Barangay Bitag's float is an environmental awareness vehicle. It is constructed almost entirely from recycled materials. The materials we use are all environmentally safe and sustainable, intended to be given a second life and then transformed into art. We want everyone to appreciate the transformation of garbage into a display piece. Wow, ang ganda naman ng message. Garbage into a display piece. Dito natin masasabi na hindi porkit basura, hindi mo na mapapakinabangan yan. Pwede pa yan as long as carry natin gawan ng paraan.
Tama yan, parts. Kaya naman, let us always be reminded, as much as we can, we try to recycle our waste. Ayan. Kasi kapag ni-recycle mo yan, hindi po yan waste. Ayan.
Magiging
At if we
useful
are
na siya.
recycling, at least we are reducing waste.
That leads to sustainability. Ayan, fast approaching is the float of Barangay Bitag.
Carrying the theme of our festival, Limitless La Trinidad, with heart, harvest, and harmony. Palapakan naman natin once again the float of Barangay La Trinidad with there. Oy, nandito si Tanggol. Ayan, hello. Kasama natin, no, di ba? And we also have with them, ayan, nandun sa likod pala. Sorry po, hindi po namin kayo nakita. May mga hawak na mga baskets. Ayan, ang ating mga barangay officials.
Ayan, pakatitigan po natin ang design na mala cutesy ng Barangay Bitag.
Oy, napakaganda ng choreography ng kanilang float. Mayroon tayong, butterfly. Ayan. At syempre, pinangungunahan yan ng dapayan. Okay, alams na sa
Alams na
Bitag.
natin, sir.
Okay. Maraming salamat po ulit, Barangay
Bitag.
Betag.
Parinig naman ako ng masigabong palakpakan para sa Barangay Bitag.
Once again, the float of Barangay Betag also is enjoined in the category Pro Environment. That's why 50% mostly of their float came from recycled materials. Palakpakan po ulit natin. Napakagaling. We have here plastic spoons, plastic cups. Oy, yung mga pinagbasura natin ng 1.5. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us also be entertained by another performance or presentation from the Immaculate Heart of Mary School.
The Immaculate Heart of Mary School of La Trinidad.
The Immaculate Heart of Mary School of La Trinidad celebrates Benguet's rich heritage through the Binyan and Talak performances. The theme, Limitless La Trinidad, highlights rhythmic traditions that honor the bountiful harvest, foster community unity, and reflect gratitude flowing from ancestors to the present, embodying resilience and vibrancy. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Immaculate Heart of Mary School of La Trinidad. Once again, a performance or cultural performance coming from Immaculate Heart of Mary School of La Trinidad. Palapakan naman natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. And now approaching another performance for the Drum and Lyre category.
Pico Elementary School. Pico Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps proudly presents the song Make It Simple to express the community's joy and unity. The beat of drums and the melody of lyre symbolizes the hardworking hearts of people of La Trinidad and the abundant strawberry harvest that brings pride to the town. Make it simple, ika nga nila. Once again, Pico Elementary School!
Hiyawan naman dyan! Yoo! Ayan, kaway-kaway ang mga taga-barangay Pico!
Kung kanina blue, ngayon naman green, partner.
Yes,
Green.
green. Saganang sagana. Sa harvest. Ayan. Wow. Napaka-magical naman nun. A presentation coming from Pico Elementary School, Drum and Lark category. Palapakan naman natin once again. Napaka-magical. Akala ko kung anong make it simple. Wow.
Parang hindi naman siya simple, partner. Ang bongga!
Pinaghandaan nila ang ating street parade ngayong Strawberry Festival 2026. And now approaching, we also have two. Let us be prepared to be dazzled and be amazed by these two floats coming. Unahin na natin ang float coming from Barangay Alapang.
Okay.
Sigaw naman dyan galing sa Alapang. Ay naman.
Alapang nga. Alapang audience. Talagang alapang. Pero, kidding aside, alapang. Let me read to you the description of this float. Barangay Alapang celebrates La Trinidad's bond with nature through three symbols: heart, harvest, and harmony. The central heart signifies the town's love and duty to protect the environment. Harvest, or strawberries, highlights agriculture and sustainability. Harmony, also strawberries, represents unity. Together, they promise a future of abundance, care, and community. Once again, Barangay Alapang!
With a heart! Ayan po, meron tayong pa-heart coming from the float of Barangay Alapang. And also, this float belongs to the pro-environment category. Ibig sabihin, 50% or more of their ginamit ingredients tuloy ang nalagay ko.
Gutom ata si partner. Ingredients?
Oo, kala ko niluto yung float. Okay. 50% or more of the materials they use in their float, ayan po, ay coming from recycled materials. So as you can see, ayan po ang mga sako galing sa mga abuno. Ayan,
Abuno.
mga sako-sakong abuno ng mga farmers coming from Alapang.
Dito naman sa left side ko, partner, parang nakita ko yung aso kanina. Ang cute! Nag-parade siya. Bongga naman ang Alapang. May pa-props pa silang dog.
Yan. Ano to? Marami pa ako nakikita dito. Mga flowers. At ano to? Falls. Uy.
May windmill.
pa-falls. At oo nga, windmill ang ating barangay. Alapang. Palapakan naman natin together with their barangay representatives, barangay officials. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
And I think maiko-compare naman natin ang Alapang sa sinabi ng ating Miss Universe few words back na beautiful with a heart.
Yan naman ang kanilang float. Once again, Barangay Alapang. And now approaching another float coming from another barangay. Lakas at hiyawan naman galing sa Barangay Poblasyon. Asan ang galing sa Barangay Poblasyon? Kaway-kaway! Okay, ito mga taga-Barangay Poblasyon, itaas ang mga kamay. At sabayan ang kantang, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat.
Mali, partner, parang yung uso ngayon, yung ano.
Mali ba yun?
Mali. Ano, hawak
Ay.
mo ang beat.
Oo.
Ganon.
Hawak mo ang beat. Ayan, lumalabas sa aking newsfeed. Okay.
Okay.
Eto na paparating. Thank you so much once again, Barangay Alapang and their barangay officials together with, wow, we have a, ano to, Chihuahua ba?
Strawberry pa yung hat niya, oh.
Yes. Okay. And now approaching another float coming from Barangay Poblasyon.
Okay, once again, let me read the description of the float for everyone's knowledge. Poblacion. The float, inspired by municipal logos, features the kayabang symbolizing abundance and cultural heritage. Surrounding it are sunflowers representing longevity and unity among diverse residents. Made of 95% recycled materials, the float emphasizes environmental awareness while showcasing community pride and a commitment to cleanliness and effective waste management in Barangay Poblacion. Once again, Barangay Poblacion, parinig naman ako ng masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan!
Ayan, isang araw, nagmamaneho sa La Trinidad.
Ang
Diba?
witty naman nun.
Ako'y nakakita, float na ubod ng
Ganda!
ganda! Alright, we have a float coming from Barangay Poblacion. And again, this belongs to the category pro-environment. Kaya naman lahat, 50% or more of the materials they use came from recycled materials. As you can see, meron po tayong mga pajaryo na nakikita ngayon, which they form into, ayan, mga flowers, strawberry.
Tignan mo din yung strawberry partner. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng mga papel ba to or newspaper.
Oo.
Very,
I like the
very-
choreography.
Ay, akala ko ingredients ulit.
Ay, oo, meron pa silang mga pa-white variety ng strawberry. Yun daw yung mga matatamis na variety ng strawberry. Ayan. So once again, thank you so much. That's the float of Barangay Poblacion together with their barangay officials and representatives. Palapakan naman natin sila. At asa ang mga nagkagandahang taga-Poblacion. Kaway-kaway naman. Thank you so much. Abang-abangan niyo po mamaya sa page ng Tourism Office of La Trinidad, Mayor's Office of La Trinidad, and Public Information Office of La Trinidad. Maipopost po dyan lahat ng mga mananalo ngayong araw. And now approaching, let us be entertained once again with these two performances coming from two candidates. But before that, we have one presentation for the cultural performance coming from Namuao Performing Arts Group of Barangay Poblacion. Dapilan is a traditional method for extracting juice from harvested sugarcane using 2 or 3 wooden rollers and a long through attached to a carabao walking in circles. Although modern machinery has replaced this technique, we are proud to showcase and preserve this cultural heritage before it is forgotten. So once again, a cultural performance coming from Namuao Performing Arts Group of Barangay Poblacion.
Wow naman.
Ayun. Patesting naman, baka pwede rin kami makisakay. Ayan, napakagaling naman ng Kalabaw ng Namuaw Performing Arts Group. So they have also showed us the anong tawag nito, use of the wooden rollers and a long throw attached to a Carabao walking in circles, way of harvesting the extracting juice from harvested sugar cane. And now, palakpakan naman natin sila as they are approaching Pugis Elementary School.
Yan. Pugis Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps is a vibrant group known for its captivating performances. They showcase exceptional music talent and discipline, enriching school events and community gatherings with their rhythmic precision and harmonious melodies. Their dedication fosters teamwork and the love for music among young students, making them a source of pride for the school and local community. Once again, Pugis Elementary School. Parinig naman po ulit ng masigabong palakpakan at nagsisilakas na hiyawan.
Ayan. Pugis Elementary School! Ayun, may sigaw.
Sa lawak ng bansang ito'y may natatanging lambak. Ang mga kulay ang iyong gabay patungo sa mga halakhak. Damhin mo ang masaganang kultura at pambihirang saya. Eto na, pagmasdan naming ganda. Makulay ang iyong gabay patungo sa mga halakhak. Damhin mo ang masaganang kultura at pambihirang saya. Eto na, pagmasdan namin La Trinidad, love, 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 La Trinidad.
Wow! Thank you! Sabi nga nung plinay nilang rendition, buksan mo, papasukin sila.
Kaya naman, papasukin natin din sa live ang mga live viewers natin sa kanilang mga bahay at sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas at ibang parte ng ng mundo. Okay, pakiayos din daw po ang ating background para makapasok ang live sound coming from our live drum and live presentations and also our presentations from the cultural ensembles. Wow, ang dami pala nun.
Dami
Heavy
pala
ang
nun.
heavy ang ating production coming from Pugis Elementary School. Palapakan naman natin sila at ang kanilang mga paghahanda. Nako naman.
Yan. Once again, thank you, Pugis Elementary School.
And now we are about to be graced and enamored by these beautiful two floats coming from two different barangays. First one to approach is the float coming from Barangay Tawang under Pro Environment category.
Alright, so let me give you a brief explanation of their float. Tawang, emphasizing sustainable creativity and local pride of Barangay Tawang. This float showcases the barangay's identity through a creative display made primarily of repurposed materials, highlighting the various tourism sites from towering Mount Yangbu, Kalugong, and Tayawan to the tradition meets modern Bali via the Huts PH and Bollywood. Indeed, this float reflects the Tawang identity. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Barangay Tawang! Taas kamay naman sa mga taga-Barangay Tawang dyan! Patingin ako ng attendance! Yan, marami-rami na sila partner.
Kaway-kaway naman para makuha kayo sa drone camera natin. Asan yun? Asan na yun? Ay,
Wala.
okay. Bakit nawala? Okay.
po.
Inaayos pa po sa ating mga live viewers, inaayos po natin ang reception ng mic para marinig po ninyo ang live na sound ng ating mga participants. Huwag po kayo mag-alala, marami pa po tayong matutunghayang mga presentations coming from the different participants ng Drum and Lyre competition and cultural dance competition. Now we are witnessing a float coming from Barangay Tawang. Ayan, 50% or more of the materials came from recycled materials po. Okay, nakikita natin. Ay, nako
bulaklak.
parts. I see the moon.
Ay, oo nga.
Oo.
Where's the moon?
Oo,
Yan.
isitamon. Kani joke lang. Okay, we have here, may pamun ang Barangay Tawang.
May Bollywood din at Mount Kalugong.
Ay, sino nang nakapunta doon sa Bollywood at Mount Kalugong? Itaas ang mga kamay.
Attendance check yan.
O, diba? Ang galing naman natin. Meron pa. Asan ba yun? Sige, sa Luwas pala yun. Okay. Alright, ito na ang Mount Kalugong and Bollywood. Thank you so much. We are, the float is accompanied by the barangay officials of Barangay Tawang and other representatives. Palapakan naman po natin ulit, Barangay Tawang!
Kung nakapunta man kayo sa kanilang mga tourist attraction, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa sariling atin.
Yan naman. Palakpakan natin, Barangay Tawang. Ayan, meron pa pasala silang mga pabaso ng milk tea doon sa baba. Okay, ayan.
From talaga garbage to purposeful designs and ingredients na sabi ng partner ko.
Biglang naging ingredients yung materials. Okay. Wow! Marami na nanonood sa atin dito live. Meron ng 721 million viewers and more. And meron din po dito watching from Spain. Shout out po sa inyo ng mga taga Spain. Watching online. Thank you so much.
And I hope our visitors from Guam are enjoying this float parade of Strawberry Festival. Are you okay up there? Yes. Thank you very much for watching our lively festivity.
Thank you so much also for the float, Barangay Tawang. And now, another float is coming from Barangay Ambiong! Asa na mga Barangay Ambiong? Sumigaw! Sumayaw! Ay,
Parang iba na yung
Ayan.
partner.
O, sumayaw nga ang float. Eto,
wala
to
ka.
the left, to the right. Eto naman ang Ambiong float. Nasa category siya ng Valley of Colors.
Okay, so giving you a brief description and explanation again for the float. Ambyong. Barangay Ambyong Strawberry Festival float features 5 symbols. The barangay seal for Chrysanthemum heritage. The Kayabang represented by Loyang Tantanay culture. Unity, prosperity, education, agriculture, and organizations. A fantasy for cool climate and development. The vari colors for diverse sights and experience. And a butterfly
Ambiong, carrying also the theme Limitless La Trinidad. Nako, apakagaling talaga. Lumilipad ang kanilang float. Yung pakpak maliit pero nakaya niyang i-move forward ang kanilang float. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin. Fresh na fresh ang mga bulaklak.
Partner, pwede na ding pang chapsuy yung mga gulay-gulay nila dun sa may bulak, ay sa may butterfly. Oh, wow. Fresh.
Thank you so much for offering us a very beautiful and colorful float, Barangay Ambiong. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us again prepare ourselves as we are about to watch a performance coming from Ambiong Cultural Group.
Ambiong Cultural Group. With rhythmic grace, dancers embody the spirit of Ambiong and celebrates barangays of Ambiong rich heritage. Their movements reflect the black carpet beats, rolling hills, and lush forests, honoring the Ibanloy and Kankanay ancestors. It's a vibrant showcase of community, tradition, and the enduring connection to their natural environment. Once again, everyone, Cultural Group of Ambiong.
Thank you very much once again, the Ambiong Cultural Group. Palapakan naman natin sila.
Ang energetic naman ang ating mga participants.
Kaya na ba yun? Wow! Talaga naman! Naghanda ang Ambiong Cultural Group para tinig na tinig talaga sila. And now, shout out naman po nanunood galing sa California! Thank you so much!
California.
And now, susunod na magpiperform para sa ating lahat in the Drum and Lark competition, we have La Trinidad Central School.
Okay. La Trinidad Central School. Participant number 4 showcases a refined and captivating performance that highlights the cultural richness of the people of La Trinidad. Through fluid, rhythmic, and expressive movements, it brings life to vibrant traditions and proud heritage of the municipality in a lively, enchanting, and memorable performance. Once again, La Trinidad Central School.
Palakpakan naman natin. Palakpakan naman para sa La Trinidad Central School! Napakagaling naman nun. Muntikan tuloy ako mapatiktok.
Oh, ready na siya. Nakita ko siya.
Napakagaling,
Umiindak na.
napakaangas. Yan naman talaga ang paghahandang ginawa ng La Trinidad Central School. Palakpakan naman natin sila ulit. Ayan naman. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga chikiting. At syempre sa mga parents na sumusuporta sa mga chikiting natin, sa lahat ng mga drum and lyre participants, cultural performances. Maraming salamat sa mga magulang din nila na supportive. Palapakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili, mga mothers and fathers. Mga lola, lolo na hatid sundo ng mga chikiting natin. Ayan, palakpakan nyo din ang inyong mga sarili. Ang ating mga conductors, maraming salamat sa mga choreographers. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre sa mga schools. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong lahat. And now, we are about to witness two amazing floats coming from two different barangays. Once again, from Barangay Pico and Barangay Wangal. Now let's start to be enamored by the float coming from Barangay Pico.
Okay, before again we pass through this float, let me give you a brief description of their float. Pico, witness the breathtaking harvest and harmony masterpiece from Barangay Pico, a stunning tribute to the limitless La Trinidad spirit. Adorned with strawberries and sunflowers, this masterpiece honors local farmers and their rich agricultural bounty. It's a vibrant celebration of community soul and dedication, capturing the festival's heart in every breathtaking, succulent details. Once again, everyone, Barangay Pico! Parinig naman ako ng masigabong palakpakan at malakas na hiyawan.
Once again, the float of Barangay Pico is competing in the Valley of Colors category. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ladies and gentlemen, the float shall utilize at least 75% of flowers, plants, vegetations, and other indigenous materials. Ang daming mga fresh na mga ingredients ba? Ayan, mga materials na ginamit nila para sa kanilang float. Grabe ang choreography, may pa left and right.
Ang ganda din nung na-center nilang choreography according to Limitless La Trinidad, which is the symbol infinity.
Oo, may pa-infinity sila dito, oh. Infinity with a heart.
Ay!
Oo, ibig
palaban,
sabihin
palaban.
yan. Oo, infinity na may harvest dito sa La Trinidad. Talaga naman. Maraming salamat po sa mga barangay officials na nandito. Galing sa Barangay Pico. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Apakagaling. Ayun, uy! May basket, may lamang sayote. May lettuce. Ano yun?
Siyempre,
Parsley.
strawberry.
Oo, tsaka strawberries. We have flowers as well. Wow. Thank you so much, Barangay Pico. Palakpakan naman natin. Aren't you proud? Yan. At susunod naman, eto na. Eto na, hinihila. Nako, may pa-overload tayo dito ng kape. Limitless talaga ang kape dito. Sa float coming from Barangay
Wangal! Parang walang attendance ang Wangal ngayon. Patingin naman ako ng wave natin, Wangal. Saan kayo?
Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Galing sa Wangal. Okay, etong float ng Barangay Wangal exudes harvest, heart, and harmony. Here, coffee pours generously. The float embodies warmth and dedication and the unity of Wangal's community, echoing the Strawberry Festival spirit of shared harvest and joy. A meticulously arranged coffee plate mirrors the community's firm roots, while rising aromatic steam captures the unwavering passion, unity, and camaraderie, showcasing Wangal's vibrant spirit, agricultural pride, and relentless pursuit of limitless communal prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, ang teacup, ay hindi, ang coffee cup ng Barangay Wangal!
Oh.
Again, they are competing under the Valley of Colors category. Kaya naman nakikita nino, white na white a flower ang ating dominant color for Barangay Wangal's float.
Pero partner, nakaka-intriga din yung ginawa nilang sign or parang symbolize ng limitless. Talagang kape.
Oo. Ay talaga pag pumunta pala tayo sa Barangay Wangal, limitless ang kanilang ino-offer na coffee. Very hospitable. Salamat sa Barangay Hall. Barangay officials ng Barangay Wangal. Punta tayo dyan para makikape. Dahil meron silang limitless or overflowing na kape. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo sa mga nasa gilid. Ayan, medyo atras po yata tayo ng slide. Okay, palapakan po natin once again, Barangay Wangal!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget your water intake po. Stay hydrated. And a reminder again sa ating mga basura, please be responsible of our own waste po. Gaya nga ng sabi nila kanina, tapat ko, linis ko. I-embody po natin to para sa more cleaner La Trinidad.
Kaya naman, people of La Trinidad, are you ready? Yes, para mapanood na naman ang isang presentation from the Drum and Lyre category. We welcome Buyagan Elementary School!
Ang lakas ng hiyawan, partner. Pero before their performance start, let me read their description. The performance portrays the rich culture and unity of the Cordilleran people. Through dances symbolizing strawberry farming, it highlights the farmers' hard work, struggles, and resilience. From harmony with nature to pride and heritage, it ends with a joyful celebration of gratitude, abundance, and the limitless spirit of La Trinidad. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give it all for Buyagan Elementary School.
Happy Strawberry Festival! Coming from Buyagan Elementary School. Palapakan naman natin sila. Wow, apakakulay ng ating drum and lyre coming from the School of Buyagan.
Ang supportive
Elementary.
din ng kanilang parents, ng kanilang mga teachers. Meron pa.
Ayan, may announcement po tayo. Meron pong nawawalang bata at hinahanap po niya ang kaniyang kasama sa event. Ayan, kung meron po kayong nawawalang anak, ayan, pamangkin, ating, or kapatid, puntahan nyo lang po doon sa may technician area. Naka-red shirt daw po yung bata. Okay.
Again po, reminder sa ating mga parents, please. Ano po natin ang ating mga kasama kasi sa dami po ng tao, hindi po lahat mababantayan ng ating marshals.
Yan. O, naghahanap po ng kaniyang kasama. Oo, yung bata naka-red shirt, batang lalaki. Puntahan nyo lamang po dyan. Dyan na po. Dyan sa may TNT tent. Yung tent na yellow sa may technician area, pakipuntahan po doon yung bata. Maraming salamat po. And now, let's be amazed once again with another cultural performance coming from Ragsak Cultural Group.
Let me read again a brief description of this cultural group. The legend of Bulalakaw, a sacred place, depicts the origin of Barangay Bulalakaw, Mangkayan as a sacred, blessed, and abundant site. It tells the story of early settlers witnessing a luminous, fiery object believed to be a divine pet eel or a sign from Kabunyan that lands in a water-rich area and brings prosperity. Once again, Ragsak Cultural Group. Ayan, talaga matpiman nga naragsak, tiragsak Cultural Group.
Coming from a cultural group coming from Barangay Balili. Asan po ang taga Barangay Balili? Sumigaw! Ayan naman at susunod, ating matutunghayan another performance coming from a cultural group. Tawang Cultural Group. A dynamic cultural dance emphasizing community, respect, and collaboration. Through expressive choreography, dancers portray overcoming division by embracing diversity and mutual understanding. This performance celebrates the strength found in togetherness and cultural exchange, inspiring the next generation to value harmony as the foundation of a peaceful place. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Tawang Cultural Group. Palapakan naman natin once again, Tawang Cultural Group rendering us a Bendian dance with strawberries. Naks naman.
Next naman. Actually, ang bendian, please correct me if I'm wrong, is binidyan o kaya, ano yun, parang,
Dance ng mga Tipaloy. Alright, eto na tayo. Approaching, we are about to witness also a float coming from our private sectors, groups of individuals, ayan. At nakilahok nga, hindi papahuli ang mga color blue. Asan ang mga color blue dito?
at may pa, ano pa sila, may pa freebie pa
Ayun,
sila.
may pa-freebie! Nako,
Pakiabot po
gilid-gilid
dito.
pa. Okay. Ito na ang float coming from...
MJ Kakad, Sulain Group!
Palakpakan naman natin ang Sulain. Ayan, habang hoping ay hindi rin nag-price hike ang Sulain. Okay, naalala ko tuloy yung gas. Okay, eto na tayo. Maraming salamat po sa pakikiisa.
Sulain!
Sulain. MJ Gakad, Sulain.
Wow! Ayan!
Okay.
Abundance of candies din pala ito. Hindi
Aha.
lang siya abundance of strawberries and unity.
Ayan, sumasayaw. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Huwag mo tong bibitawan. Oy, talaga.
umindat siya,
Ang
oh.
galing ni Sulain sumayaw. Okay. And now another float coming from another private group. We have the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Cordillera Eagles Region 3. Palapakan naman natin sila. Talaga naman ang ating mga Team Eagles.
Soar High Eagle Fraternity. Mabuhay daw ang agila! Mabuhay!
Ayan, mabuhay ang agila dito sa La Trinidad! Mabuhay daw ang mga gwapo! Mabuhay ang mga magaganda! Mabuhay ang tayong lahat! Okay. Mabuhay tayong lahat, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have witnessed different presentations, drum and lyre, street dancing or cultural dancing, and the community float parade.
We would like to thank each and everyone for your unending support whenever we celebrate the Strawberry Festival.
And wag po muna kayong aalis dahil meron pa po tayong mensahe coming from the Vice Mayor, Gilier Galwan.
Alright, thank you, Rendel and Ma'am Nicole. Hello! Did you enjoy? Nag-enjoy ba tayong lahat? Alright, thank to all of our stakeholders. Thank you very much sa ating mga barangay officials, to our performers, sa mga lahat ng dumalo to watch our street dancing and float parade. Thank you very much for supporting our event, our Strawberry Festival. Let's to our municipal mayor, the organizing committee, sa pasalamatan natin sila to each and everyone. Salamat po sa pagsuporta ng ating Strawberry Festival. May we continue the spirit that we had today in our homes. And we see you again next year. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.
Maraming salamat po our dear Vice Mayor Gilier Galwan, and happy Strawberry Festival everyone! This has been your Pars Brandel Pagoy Ano and
Nicole Trish Jimenez.
sa ngalan din ng aming mga parts na nasa Jollibee kanina, Pars Doc Alvin T. Morales and
Sienna Balorio.
maraming salamat po once again. Happy Strawberry Festival 2026!
A reminder to everyone, please, tapat kulinis po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at patuloy na pagtangkilik ng ating sariling festival.
Yan, linisin po natin ang ating mga spots. Wala po sana tayong kalat dyan. At eto na po, bubuksan na nila ang kalsada, kaya ingat po sa ating mga anak, sa ating mga chikiting. Pakibantayan po sila. Maraming salamat!
Mabuhay La Trinidad! Thank you everyone!